Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Write Chinese with Penny. Today I'm going to show you how to write ski in Chinese. 滑雪 滑 left part and the right part consists of two parts. The left part, two dots, this direction, the last one going the other way. Okay, this line connects the top part, has to close in here. The right side is the character by itself. It means bone. Left portion of this character is a partial character. It has a meaning. It can suggest a meaning of liquid or water. 滑 滑, this character by itself means slippery or ski. 雪 This portion is a character means raining or rain. Now the bottom part to be added to make it, here's a little hook in here, to make it to be snow. Snow. 滑雪 together means ski. Thanks for watching.